Hey, welcome back. This video is all about making stop motion animation using your Android mobile phone. Many of you might think, wow, how is it possible with a mobile phone by taking thousands upon thousands of images over months and months? Bro, it's extremely hard. So, if you're also the one who is thinking in that way, this video is for you. Watch the video till the end and make your own stop motion video. Before getting into the video, do not forget to like and also help your friends to make their own stop motion video by sharing this. You just need two things, your mobile phone and a tripod. If you don't have a tripod, do not worry about it. Your mobile phone can be propped up against something or grab any household object and place it within your camera's view. Well, how to make it easier? The very first thing you need to do is to compose a storyboard of all the scenes you plan to shoot. This is a good idea regardless of the style of stop motion you're making, whether it is an animation, photo or a film. You should be aware of the angles of your shots and you'll need minimal camera movement. Figure out what frames per second you are aiming for. This is really important to plan because if you want something to move from one point to another point in a specific amount of time, you need to measure out the space and plan the shots accordingly. Plan out your camera movements. I recommend keeping your camera on a tripod for maximum steadiness, and you should keep your movements steady and fluid. There are several apps, but I personally recommend you to use the Stop Motion Studio app, and if you want your video to be more effective, then you can go with the pro version. Open the app in your mobile phone, place an object, and then take a photo. Make a slight change in the object, take another photo, repeat as many times as you want according to your story. This is how a stop motion video is made. You can import your photos or clips to the app or you can directly take shots from it.